Android phone not starting properly? Learn how recovery mode works and how to use it to fix common system issues. Section 1. What is recovery mode on Android? Android recovery mode is a built-in tool for fixing system issues. When a phone cannot boot normally, it allows users to update, clear cache, or reset the device. It runs separately from the Android system and provides repair options. Section 2. What is Android recovery mode used for? Android recovery mode uses fix boot issues and system errors, clear cache without losing data, factory reset the device, install system updates, restore backup supported devices, run ADB commands, remove problematic software. Section 3. How to backup Android files before using recovery mode. Backup your Android data before using recovery mode. Mobikin Assistant for Android helps you back up all files with one click. Below is a step-by-step guide to performing a one-click backup using this tool. Connect your Android phone via USB or Wi-Fi. Enable USB debugging or install the APK if needed. Go to Super Toolkit Backup, select Data, choose a folder, and click Backup. Section 4. How to enter or use recovery mode on Android. Power off your Android device. Press the correct button combo to enter recovery mode. Most phones, power plus volume down. Samsung, power plus volume up plus Bixby Home. Pixel, power plus volume down recovery mode. Use volume buttons to navigate and power to select. Choose options like wipe cache or factory reset. Select reboot system now to exit. Section 5. How to disable Android recovery mode. Ways to exit recovery mode. Reboot system now. Select it to restart normally. Force restart. Hold the power button for 10-20 seconds. Check buttons. Ensure power or volume buttons aren't stuck. Charge and restart. Charge the phone, then try again. Section 6. How to fix Android stuck in recovery mode. Fix Android recovery mode issues. Wipe cache. Remove temporary files and fix glitches. Factory reset. Restore settings but erase all data. Install updates. Repair system files with official updates. Use repair tools. Fix firmware and boot problems. Section 7. How to keep Android phone from being stuck in recovery mode again. Tips to avoid Android issues. Update Android regularly. Install apps from trusted sources. Keep enough storage space. Check power and volume buttons. Back up important data. Avoid interrupting system updates.